Hello. Today, let's talk about how to switch on and switch off your front beam and your rear light on your Fab-Freeze F20 Pedelec. First step is we switched on the computer system by pushing the M button for 1.5 seconds. And you can see now we booted the system. Now we can travel with it, of course. But maybe it's dark outside and we like to go travel with the front beam and the rear light. This is the button for it, the plus button. Push it, hold it. And you can see there is an icon. This icon shows you a beam. And this is if the front beam and the rear light is switched on. You can see that. Really cool. To switch that off, push again, hold it for a second, and it will switch off. After this, you can switch off the computer system and the job's done. Easy peasy, yeah? Yeah. Plus button for 1.5 seconds. Push it, then it will be enable or disable your lighting system on your Fab-Freeze F20 Pedelec. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.